Hi, my name is John Bullock and I play for the Indianapolis Colts. I played for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers last year and just very blessed and grateful to have the opportunity to play in the NFL, do what I do and do what I love.
What are you hoping that this stem cell treatment helps you with?
What brings me here today is I've been having some knee issues for the past couple of years, patellar tendonitis, and just wanted to kind of get them fixed, and I'm hoping that this will lead me in the right direction of just staying healthy, being healthy, keep away those nagging injuries throughout the season so I can perform to my best ability.
I'm going to start an IV infusion of normal saline on you. Then I'm going to add a vitamin mixture called the Myers cocktail to it. And when that gets about halfway done, then I'm going to start infusing your stem cells and exosomes.
Okay.
This whole process probably take about 30-40 minutes.
Okay.
So this is your vitamin mixture. This is a Myers cocktail. It's B12, B6, B complex, magnesium, selenium, everything that the stem cells need to do well for you. Even though you eat very healthy in your diet, I'm sure, none of us get everything that we need. So we want to make sure the stem cells have that, so we just put it there. Here are your stem cells. They are biologics, and we keep them in a cryo freezer between -80, -86. And then once we get ready to use them, we get them out of the cryo freezer, warm them up, and then once they get warmed up, they have to go in pretty quickly.
Some of the injuries I've sustained playing football are tears in both my patella tendons. I've had a labral tear, hamstring injuries, ankle injuries obviously, but nothing too crazy. I would say the biggest thing is my labrum tear and then my two knees.
We're gonna look at your knees today, and I'm gonna draw 1 vial of blood from your arm, put it in a special machine called the Pure Spin. It's gonna separate out platelets and growth factors, and we're gonna get about 2 to 3 cc's of PRP, platelet-rich plasma. We'll draw 2 vials, 1 for each knee, and then we will take 2 cc's of umbilical cord stem cells with Wharton's jelly and 1 cc of exosomes. Combine all this together to make the R3 stem cell trifecta. It will repair and rejuvenate that whole knee joint. Where's most of your pain in that knee?
That's where the tear is like
Right in there. Stem cells will take down that inflammation pretty quickly and then start helping with that repair process. How has your experience been overall?
It's been great. Obviously, this is my first time doing it, but I've heard a lot of great things from other people and other players, so I think it's just a great way to keeping your body healthy.
Thank you so much,
Thank you
John,
very
for
much.
coming to see us at R3 Stem Cell Nashville.
Thank you.